Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be trying out some hair products. Now, if you have been following me for a while, you would know that I have done a few videos with E-litchi hair, and I have some new products that I'm going to be trying out with you guys today that you can just use to like spice up your hair look or do your hair a lot faster. I also decided to do like a Christmassy makeup look today. Thought it would be kind of fun. Now, E-litchi is a natural hair company, so all their products are made from real human hair, so they're really good quality. You can style them differently with heat products. Like I've curled and straightened a bunch of the products, and you can do a lot with them. So we have the curly ponytail right here, which is super long. I have this one in the color 1B. I believe it's either the darkest or their second darkest color. I'll have all the details in the description though. And this is the curly hair. As I said, it's kind of like a crimped style. You guys will be able to see it better when I take it out. I have tried their straight style before and I loved it. It's really nice that you can just put it in and have like a sleek, nice ponytail. So I'm excited to try this one right here, and I believe this is in the 22-inch, so it is fairly long. And we have the extensions, which I'm going to be trying out today too, which I'm really excited for. I've never tried and clip an extension, so I'm going to try them out with you guys today. And this is what they look like right here. You have the clip-ins, and again, this is just the straight hair. We're going to be putting this in and adding some length to my hair. Last product we're going to be trying today is the bang clip-in, and I have tried this before in the first video I did with E-litchi, which I'll post a picture of right here, and it was awesome. It's great that you can kind of switch up your look whenever you want with one of the clip-in bangs. Really nice quality too, and really easy to style, but that one wasn't my color, so it didn't really match as well. So they sent me one darker. We're going to put it to the test today and see how it blends with my hair and if it really looks like I have real bangs. So let's get around into this. I'm actually thinking I'm going to start off with the bangs. So it comes with a little coupon code. Now I do also have a code with E-litchi, which I'll post here on the screen. It will also be down in the description. It is a commission code. If you guys want to use it, it does help me out a little bit, but if you do not want to use it, that is totally fine. But if you are interested in any of those products, you can use that code to get some money off. It also comes with some bobby pins to help you secure it, and then it comes in a hairnet like this. So let's just take it out, and here are the bangs, and I think this will be definitely a better match to my hair. It's like a almost exact match, and this is what the inside looks like. So it has the 3 clips. They're honestly super easy to use, so I'm just going to clip these open. Just going to place this on like near the crown of my head and clip that down, and then with the other 2 pieces too. Oh, I put that way too low. Alright, so I know that looks crazy right now, but I'm going to grab my straightener and heat it up, and we're going to style these so that they actually, you know, blend with the rest of my hair and don't look how they're looking right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and kind of curl the ends up a little. And I'm actually going to go ahead and have this sit a little higher. It's placed at the height I want it. I'm going to take the sides and straighten it down flat, not curled, so that it blends with my natural hair. And then these side bangs I'm going to kind of flip out a little. You can have these as like little curtain bangs if you want, depending on how you style them, or you can bring them forward and just have them as like regular bangs, whatever you're feeling. And you would just style it like with your hair more so that it fits. Took the clips out and I kind of made them like little curtain bangs, and I feel like this is how I would wear them, but you could definitely wear them in different ways out front too. But as you can see, they're really easy to use, and you can just style them to